Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view and load previous versions of pages in OneNote. This is incredibly useful when you need to recover lost information or revert back to an earlier draft of your notes. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you've launched the application, give it a moment to fully load your workspace. You'll want to make sure you're in the notebook that contains the page you need to restore. This ensures you're working with the correct set of notes and previous versions. Once your notebook has been loaded, head to the History tab located on the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. This tab is specifically designed to help you track changes and access earlier versions of your work. Click on History to open up the version control options. This is where OneNote stores all the backup copies of your pages automatically. From the History menu, you'll see the Page Versions option. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it. This reveals all the versioning tools available for your current page. From the drop-down selection, click on Page Versions. This action tells OneNote to display all the previous versions that have been saved for the page you're currently viewing. It's important to note that OneNote automatically saves versions when significant changes are made, so you'll likely see multiple entries here. You'll now see all the previous page versions your notebook has stored. Look for the pages highlighted in green. This green highlighting is an indication that these are previous page versions that can be restored. The color coding makes it easy to distinguish between the current version and older backups at a glance. Click on the green highlighted page to select it. Once selected, you'll see instructions on how to restore or load this version. These instructions appear because OneNote wants to ensure you're making an intentional change before overwriting your current work. Right-click on the page to bring up a context menu with additional options. From this menu, you'll see the Restore Version option. Click on it to proceed with loading the previous version of your page. OneNote will then replace your current page content with the selected older version. This process is quick, but it's worth noting that your current version won't be lost. It will simply become another previous version that you can access later if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed and loaded a previous version of your page in OneNote, allowing you to recover important information or revert to an earlier state of your notes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.